Okay, on the harness you'll find 4 inline plugs and 1 wide plug that goes into the control module. So with the inline plugs, it's all plug and play, you can't get it wrong. Let's make sure what side are they around. Clip it in and make sure the retainer pin is secure. Same with the mirror one. Plug it in, secure. We have 2. One is for the door lock, one will go to the windows. For the door lock, simply remove this sticky reusable tape. And that over there, plug it out, plug the new one in, plug it back in there, hide the trunking, and then close the plastic again securely. Same applies to the mirror module. Remove the trunking. Connect the inline switch. Insert the trunking again. Find the control module box. And insert the wide plug into that. Okay. The door is ready to go back on. Find a secure spot to mount the control box. Ideally this spot shouldn't get close to water, so what I normally suggest is find a nice way to tuck it. It's not going to be in its way. Over here you can see it's relatively safe there to place it. So just use the included double-sided tape, stick that on. Bob's your uncle. It's very important, route these 2 pieces through the hole here so you can use it for access later. As you can see, one of our cables popped out here now, not to worry. Set it back in, make sure that's secure. Same with this one. Simply slide the slot for the door handle back in. As such, and you're ready to clip the door back on. Easiest to start from the top, secure nice and firmly, and work your way around. Making sure you get all the pins in. If all is aligned, all should clip in fine. You can start installing the screws again. I normally just start with the door handle. Just make sure it's properly aligned. Bob's your uncle. Start with the door screws. Again, make sure it's aligned. out in the way, just move it a little bit. Okay. Find your switches. Hopefully your inline plugs aren't hidden too far away. Insert them again. Remembering this plug has to pull all the way back. Insert it. Pop it in. Same with this one. Clip that back in. Pop your door back in. Clip this panel back in. Tweeter pot. And now just to test if the windows work.